To perform mirror training in multi-fingers, you may also use PGO2 Power Glove with valve knobs. You can switch the valve on the glove according to the training demands. Wear the data glove on the healthy hand to make a pinching action, and the single or multiple fingers of the affected hand will follow in this mirror training mode. To perform active mode training, insert the data glove plug into the data socket of the host and put the glove on the affected hand. Visit Syrebo.com homepage and enter the download page. Download the Android app, install the app in your phone. Open the app, and after the successful Bluetooth connection, select the active mode on the machine and click the Start button for training. The game is played by the user's spontaneous control of hand movements to strengthen the hand's ability to achieve rehabilitation purposes. The device will automatically rest when training time reaches 20 minutes. Please concentrate during training and do take rest after completing training 2 to 3 times a day. And rest more than 20 minutes between 2 trainings. Please persist in your training for better recovery.